whatever your desire, your wish, your goal, you need to form it in a very concise, very small sentence. Even better if you can form it into a symbol, because our subconscious mind responds better to symbols and messages. So you've created whatever it is you want to happen. You have a clear image of it. If you cannot visualize, you can have the words where you can imagine it. Then you get up, you have a chair or a couch. You don't have to get up.
No.
You say out loud or in your mind and visualize what you want to happen. And then you tense your body completely, like every muscle, cringe really, really hard for as long as you can. And then you relax everything and sit down and exhale deeply. So during this tensing and relaxing, your mind drifts just for a little bit, for a few moments, into alpha state. In that state, your mind is more receptive to whatever affirmations or commands you made for yourself. And then while you recovering your breathing until it becomes normal again, you just repeat mentally those suggestions.